Assalamualaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another tutorial of Microsoft Excel. In this video we will gonna see how we use the CountIf and CountIfs function in Microsoft Excel. But before starting my video, I would request you to subscribe my channel for more such informative content. Now let us move towards our video. Now we will see with an example of a data containing the attendance of 50 students for 60 days. Now what I wanted to count the attendance of students, what that how many students were present in the 60 days from all the above 50, and then I wanted to calculate the percentage of these particular students. Now if I talk about the functions of countif and countifs, I will be only showing you the function of countif, and then by using that function you will be able to know how we use count function and countifs function. First of all, I will let you know that a count function is used to count the number of cells for a particular range. Then CountIf and CountIf functions are same, but they have one major difference is that CountIf function is used when a large range is uh, is present in front of you and you have only one criteria to select things from them. But if you have multiple criteria, you will use CountIf function. Now, for example, what I wanted to do, I wanted to find out the total attendance of the students. So what I will do, I will make a separate column for the total attendance. Then what I will do, I will simply write the function is equal to count if, and you are seeing on my PC screen the two functions that appeared. One is CountIf and the other one is CountIfs. If you have multiple criteria, you will use the CountIfs function. In our case, I have only one criteria, that is a present or absentees. So if I wanted to count the total attendance, what I will do, I will use the counter function. Now I will press the tab button for my keyboard, and now it is asking me about the range. Now what is the range? Range is basically the data from which you wanted to check the attendance. Now I will select all the data. So now you can see that I have selected all the columns. Now I have selected my range. The second thing it is asking is it is a criteria, that what should be the criteria from this range. So I wanted to count the number of peas in this box. Now how I will count? I will simply write p here and then I will close the bracket and then I will press enter. Now you are seeing I have getting the answer 0. Why? It is the reason that P is basically a text. If you have the numbers in this row, you will simply write the number without the apostrophe. But if you have text, you will first have to write the apostrophe in front, in start and in the end, and then press enter. So now you can see that I have the number of attendees, now I have number of presents of first row. Now I will simply double click on it and I have the total attendance of all the students. Now how I will find the percentage? I will simply press is equal to, and simply I will divide this with 60, and simply I will close the brackets from here, and after closing the brackets what I will do, I will simply multiply it with the 100 and press enter. So now you can see that my percentage from 100 is on your screen. Now in this way you will use the CountIf function in your Microsoft Excel worksheet. If you have any queries, you can comment me below. I will try to answer your queries as soon as possible.